In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord screen share audio not working. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it and it helps get this video to more people. And please do watch this video right until the end to know the full steps and the tips and tricks to go and get this working, as it's really annoying not be able to go and stream your audio to the person you're trying to call with. So without any further ado, let's go and jump straight into this guide. I'm now on Discord and let's go and continue with this tutorial and get into this fix of the screen share audio not working. So in this guide, I'll be doing it in a server, but of course it's very similar if you're in a one-to-one call with one person or in a group, and in a server it's basically the same. So let's go into a server and I'm going to go and join a voice channel. So I'll just turn my audio off right now. So we've now connected, as you can see. So when we go and press on the screen share and we go to screens and we go and say go and start playing on this screen here, and we click go live, then as you can see it's now here. And if I go and play some audio, say this YouTube video here, I go and play it, as you can see the sound is on here but the other person in the call will not be able to hear it. And that's really annoying when you're trying to watch a YouTube video at the same time or just even play a game. So to go and get around this, I found is we can go and pause this right now, is we come back to Discord, go and stop the streaming of the screen, and then you want to go and click share screen again. And what you have to do is you have to do it in each application separately. I found this just seemed to work for some reason. So if we go and stream this one here, so we go and select it, as you can see everything the same, click go live, but as it's in an application it's a bit different. Then we go and play it, then the audio is going to start going through. I just found that seemed to work for some reason, and it seemed to get around the issue I was having because I was trying to play a YouTube video to someone I was on a call with, and that seems to work. So yeah, that's literally today's tutorial, guys. If you've got any other questions, please drop them down below. Leave a like for more content just like this, subscribe for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.